I'm Santa Batman. I'm Santa Batman. I am Groot. Hello guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and I do apologise. I have a bit of a summer flu coming into Christmas time, which I'm trying to shake. So if I sound a little bit croaky in this video, that is why. Anyway, today guys, we are here for a bit of a look at my Christmas display, as well as unbox a couple of special items. So picked up a couple of days ago, boom! We have Santa Batman. But not only do we have Santa Batman in red, we have Santa Batman in blue. So let's get these guys out the box. Let's check them out. Alright, so here we have the red Santa and the blue Santa. So I've already run the knife through this one. So let's pop him out. And first, let's have a look at the back cover. How cool is that? So it's Santa Batman on his sleigh with bats. It's very, very cool, that is. It's the same on the back as well. So it's a double-sided. That's an awesome, awesome card. I really like that. And now, let's pull the figure out of the box. Good old pre-cut. Send that flying. Alright, so we have him out of that. So we'll look at first. There's the stand for the card. How cool is that? So you go and put the card in the back of it. So she's got some slots. I presume. Yep, got a couple of holes. So just snap all that in together. And we get our card. Oops, bump the camera, pop our card in, and there we go. So that'll stand up behind your figure, which is awesome. And then you've got the good old DC stand, which all figures come with. We have a good old Santa sack with a bit of prezzies and stuff in the top. Very, very cool. And here he is. Batman himself. Good old Santa Batman. He looks very, very cool. It's an awesome colour they've got on his whole jacket. That's a very, very awesome looking red and gold. Got a bit of shoulder detail as well. Spikes on the wrist. Good old Santa red and white down the back. Got a bit of, you know, dusting and stuff on there. The belt, black and gold belt as well. And he is very cool. Alright, so he's got a little bit of head wobble, not too much. Shoulders, now that's very cool. So that moves a little bit to give you some awesome articulation in the arms. So both sides, shoulder detail, that's awesome. And then as you say, you've got elbow. Mine's a little tight on the elbow, but still moves. And, oh, super, let's see, super tight in the wrist. But he is gripping, so you can put a bit of something in there. The same with that side. Still very tight in the wrist he is. So that might need a bit of warming up. It's got a bit of movement, but still super tight. Obviously the waistcoat, so that does not move, that's rock solid. Into the jacket. Now because you've got a bit of a split in the back there, you can get a bit of leg articulation, which is nice. So once again on the knees. Oh, he's super tight on the knees as well, but got a little bit of movement. Not a huge amount. Check the other leg. We're going to be the same with this. Oh no, he's got a bit more movement on that side. That's awesome. And then in the foot and in the toe as well on both. You got a bit of toe articulation right there. So all in all, that is your red Santa Batman. All right, now it's time. Let's cut in to the blue one. Alright, so we have the same thing again. So we have the blue Batman on the comic book cover card. It's the same both sides again. That is very, very cool. We also have the Santa sack. He's got some silver parts in the top, which is very, very cool. Once again, your good old DC stand. And we have another one of these for holding. I can put it together. There they are, pins are just there. Okay. So you stand for your card to go into. Okay, there we go. Woohoo! And then here he is, the blue Batman, and he has silver accent as opposed to the red with the gold. So once again, this is very, very cool. He has some very awesome features. This is the exact same as the other one. So he's got like the shoulder that separates. So a little shoulder plate there, so you can get a full range of motion, no issues at all. Both arms. He's got the guards. He's got the split in the back as well, as we can see there. So he got some good leg articulation as well. He actually moves on both legs, which is nice. Very, very soft, this one. That's very, very cool. Let's check his wrist. No, not much in the wrist. So the wrist, unfortunately, he can hold stuff, but he can't do much else other than that. So, but there he is. That is the blue Batman. and that was it, guys. So what did you think of the Christmas display? That is my 2023 Christmas display. And what did you think of the Batmans? I think they're bloody awesome. So once again, guys, thank you so much for the support this year. It's been a big 2023. Haven't released a lot of videos, unfortunately, but we will get back into them next year. A little bit more unboxings and just a little bit more sort of, you know, relaxed kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in 2024. Peace.